So this is the new house. Told everybody that I was moving. So I've got some remnants here of the old miter saw station. I'm actually going to move all of that stuff off of it, tear that down, and probably build a cart for my router table. Put on it. Got some scrap wood there. Wife's car, obviously. Alright, so I've cleaned up and thrown away things that I don't need, but these are all my keeper items, and they are actually on top of my table saw right now. And you can kind of see it from this side. That gives a better angle. And we got the wing table saw. I'm still hoping to do some sort of cabinet around it. I still have some things to clean up. You can see that pumpkin bucket has a bunch of screws and fasteners in it. And that's on my drill press table. So I've got that set up. And then I've also got my scroll saw stand right there. There's my router table. And I've ordered another one of these Stanley power strips that I'm going to put into a separate area. And then there's my bandsaw and my dust collection. This is actually a shelving system that the previous owner left me, and I'm utilizing it right now. I think I may have different plans for this area, and it's probably going to consist of these riding tools, or riding toys going in that area. So this is the neat feature about this garage that I really like. So this was supposed to be a stairwell area, and they elected when they built this house not to finish out the top. So right now I've got my mower in here, as well as my sanding equipment. So I've got the belts and spindle sander, the spindle sander, a belt sander, there's my planer, and my compressor. Now I'm gonna change the way this looks quite a bit, but for right now I'm utilizing the carts and everything that I have. This is my old fold down router table, and what I've done with it, took the table off, and I cut slots, as you can see, in the bottom to hang up my tools. I've still got to get a power strip in here to power up the chargers. That's going to be basically a charging station. It's got my sanders over there and some items up top. I'm going to do some more shelving systems in here. This is going to double as my lawn area / tool area, and hopefully going to be able to utilize it for a lot of my sanding and miscellaneous tools. But that's how things are coming along so far. Still got some space in here as you come out. There's the car over here and over there against that wall that I'm going to utilize. And what I may do is just free up this space over here so that my wife can park a little bit further over towards that wall, and then I have more space over here for my general shop area. But it's coming along, so stay tuned for more. This will be, I guess, my first video in the new house, kind of a shop tour of how things are set up so far. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and let me know what you want to see. I know everybody was interested in the 2.5-inch shop vac system that I had in my previous shop in my old house. I'm not sure what I'm going to do in terms of dust collection. I've been looking at a lot of different things, such as buying multiple shop vacs and doing systems that way on maybe 2 or 3 tools per shop vac, but we'll see what goes on there and how I utilize that space. But again, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.